It is lunchtime and we are having pizza. This is the thin crust, Great Value brand pizza. And Ronnie likes me to add extra cheese to it. And as you can see, this half is his. That whole is his, if he wants it. And then this little bit right here is mine. Hey guys, I have the TV on. You have to forgive the noise. But I gotta show you what it's like having my father-in-law next door. So I just went to the store. And he went yesterday. Ronnie went over there to visit with him. He sent me this bag. So we got some vanilla wafers. We got some Doritos. Let's see what else is in here. Some more wafers. Some red potatoes. I just bought a 10-pound bag of potatoes. Let's see. Baby dill pickles. And Ronnie looked like he was going to die trying to carry this home. We got banana peppers. We got Cool Whip. I asked for the salsa, and so he gave me what he had left because I'm going to make Mexican cabbage casserole tomorrow. Jalapeno cheddar brats. More Oreos. I can't help but laugh about this. I mean, it's just funny. Okay, 3 giant boxes of Jell-O pudding. I know where this is going. I think somebody wants banana pudding. I have to laugh. And then 2 giant onions. Why did I go to the store today? I don't know, but I get so tickled because he sends over the most funniest assortment of goodies. And you never know what you're going to get. But anyhow, so it looks like I'm going to be making some banana pudding real soon. And that's a hint by him that that's what he wants, because everything's in there to make it. Anyways, he knows that I enjoyed the red potatoes the last time he gave those to us.
I took those.
But I can't believe he's in another ginormous package of Oreos over here.
I told him you liked them.
You told him I liked it. He gave us a ham yesterday. For Christmas, it's already in my fridge. And he gave me, I think I already said, he gave me 2 jars of spaghetti sauce, a package of Oreos, and what else did he give us yesterday? Or was that the day before?
Might have been. He gave you some pie.
He gave me a coconut cream pie. I have 3 pies in my freezer. Oh, gosh. I think he thinks I'm going to throw another Christmas party.
Well, you got enough to.